In this video, we will see the use of simple past tense and past continuous tense. In the previous video, two videos, we saw the use of simple past tense. Here, we will see past tense as well as past continuous tense. So, see this diagram here. Here the past starts and past continues. This is time of speaking, and in the past what happened? Two actions are happening. Here, while as I was walking down the road, see, as he was walking down the road, I saw Tony, he saw Tony. So, seeing Tony is a single action which happened during the continuous action that was taking place in the past. So, he was walking from this time to this time in the past. During that action, at particular point of time, he saw somebody, that is Tony. So, you see here, as I was walking down the road, I saw Tony. So, both are past actions only. One is a single action in the past, another one was a continuous action in the past. So, we use the past continuous. This is a structure for the past continuous, and you know that this is the past tense. One more example I will give you. In the past, this is the duration. While I was having bath, from here I was having bath, the phone rang. The phone rang at a particular time, one single action. While I was having bath, the phone rang. Here you see, as I was walking down the road, I saw Tony. While I was having bath, the phone rang. This is a simple past, this is a past continuous, this is simple past, this is past continuous. Let us see some more examples. When I reached home, the children were watching TV. When I reached home, the children were watching TV. See, the continuous past continuous action was were watching television. A single past action was reached home. So, when I reached home, the children were watching television. When I saw Joan, she was not looking happy. She was not looking happy. When I saw, simple past tense, Joan, she was not looking happy. At 7 p.m. yesterday, he was playing cards. Continuous action was happening in the past. At 7 o'clock when he saw them, they were playing, he was playing cards. When the teacher, simple past tense you see, entered the class, the students were writing. When the teacher entered the class, the students were writing. The teacher entered the class, you see here, the teacher entered the class in this point of time, and a past action was happening, and here the students were writing. This is past, this is time of speaking. So, at a particular point of time, the teacher entered, that time the students were writing, continuous action was happening. The police contacted me when I was driving. The police contacted me when I was driving. This is a past continuous action. I met Sunil when I was working in Japan. When I was working in Japan, I met Sunil. This is simple past action in a single action. When a continuous action was taking place that time, that was I was working in Japan. Sana broke her leg. She broke her leg when she was playing. Was playing is the past continuous action. Broke is the simple past action. Sana broke her leg while she was playing. It was raining, so we didn't go out. Didn't go is the past action. It was raining. Was raining is the past continuous action. Didn't go was a past action. So, you see here once again I read, it normally comes past continuous comes like this, because past continuous is also used frequently to mean a continuous action that was taking place in the past to refer the time. See, when I reached home, the children were watching. When I saw John, she was not looking happy. At 7 p.m. yesterday, he was playing cards. When the teacher entered the class, the students were writing. The police contacted me when I was driving. I met Sunil when I was working in Japan. Sana broke her leg while she was playing. It was raining, so we didn't go out. We will see some more examples. When George arrived home, his sister was looking through the window. George arrived. Arrived is the simple past tense. Looking is the was looking is the past action, continuous action. Where were you living when the war broke out? Where were you living? Where living is the past continuous action. When the war broke out, broke is the simple past action. I saw Mr. Gray while I was walking on the road. Saw, simple past action. Was walking on the road is the past continuous action. The boy was knocked down by a bus while he was crossing the street. While he was crossing the street, the boy was knocked. Knocked is the simple past action. We must have, was it still raining when you came in? Came is the simple past action. Was raining, was it raining? No, was raining is the past continuous action. Was it still raining when you came in? My hat blew off while I was crossing the bridge. The wind was so heavy, his hat blew off. When? When was his hat blown off? It was blown off when he was crossing the bridge. A continuous action was happening. Mary fell and broke her leg while she was skating. The sun was just setting as we reached home. I dropped my watch while I was winding it last night. I was winding it last night, the watch dropped. What were you doing all the morning? He was watching television all evening. The girls were making cakes, this morning. She was writing letters all the afternoon, was writing letters. So, these are the past continuous actions, and we mean past continuous actions is action which was taking place in the past at a particular point of time or period of time. Now, I will give you the structure of the past continuous. How do we use the grammatical structures of past continuous action? We will see now the pattern practice, that is the structure of the past continuous form. See, I was painting, I was collecting, I was washing, I was waiting, he was painting, he was collecting, he was washing, he was reading, he was waiting, he was cleaning, he was cooking, she wasn't painting, she wasn't collecting, she wasn't washing, she wasn't waiting. Like this is a negative form, this is negative form. Then it was raining, it wasn't raining, it was paining, it wasn't paining. So, positive, positive, positive and negative. Now, in table 2 you see with I, he, she, it, was comes, whereas with you, we, they, we use where for the positive, weren't for the negative. So, you were walking, we were crying, we were playing, they were fighting, you were speaking. Please observe this very carefully, this structure has to be correctly mastered. You weren't walking, we weren't crying, we weren't playing, they weren't fighting, they weren't speaking. So, this is for the you, we and they. In table 3 you see question, interrogative it is. So, was I painting? Was I collecting? Was I reading? Was I driving? Was I washing? Was I cleaning? Was I shooting? Was I swimming? Was I shouting something? So, was he collecting? Was she reading? Like that. So, when it comes to you, we and they, where comes in? Were you walking? Were you crying? Were you cycling? Were you playing? Were you swimming? Were they walking? Were they crying? Were they playing? Were they swimming? So, this is the structure. So, structure should be properly mastered, so that grammatical accuracy takes place. Now, we will see how it is used, how the past continuous, what transformation takes place in past, present continuous and past continuous in passive voice. So, we will see the role of past continuous in the passive voice, that I will be dealing with you now. In passive voice, the present continuous will become the past continuous. I said in the earlier class also, that is when I was teaching simple past tense, that is present tense becomes past tense in passive voice. I am not exhausting my details about passive voice now. Just for the sake of connecting you with the past continuous, I am just touching upon that, and in passive, active passive we will deal in detail. That time I will tell you which tense transforms into which tense, etc. Now, I will simply touch upon this point. Whenever there is a present continuous in active voice, see here, whenever there is a present continuous in active voice, that will become past continuous. For example, I am not giving here he said and all kinds of things. So, I am base structure I am giving, I am living in Gaya will become he was living in Gaya, see past continuous, and I am leaving tonight will become he was leaving that night, he was leaving that night. She is coming this week, she was coming that week, see he is coming becomes was coming. Where is she going? Where she was going, is going, was going. What is he doing? What he was doing, is doing, was doing. When is he coming? When he was coming, is coming, was coming. So, in passive voice always the present continuous will become the past continuous. So, now I will give you one test your understanding type. So, some six sentences I will give you, and let me see that how you are able to answer correctly. First I will write you the blanks question, then you pause it, then you go to the video again, the answer will be given by me. So, like that I will be going to give you some test your understanding sentences now. Yesterday after the discussion on past tense, one of my friends called me and told that at the end of the class, after the concepts are cleared, if a small test your understanding is given, so it would be better for the people to assess it. So, that I have given 6 sentences now, 6 you call it as 6 questions or situations. What all we have discussed about the past continuous tense, you try to correctly fill the gaps with the past tense or past continuous tense. So, you can answer them now, you answer them, then pass it and answer them, then come back, we will discuss the answers. Now, you see first sentence, while I was reading the newspaper, while I was reading the newspaper, the cat jumped on the table. The cat jumped. While I was reading the newspaper, the cat jumped on the table. So, this was the continuous action in the past. I hope that you are correctly you have answered. Arun met Helen while he was traveling in Russia. Arun met Helen while he was traveling in Russia. Sona phoned me, past tense, phoned me 8 times yesterday while I was working, Come here. I cut my hand, past tense, I cut my hand while I was working, in kitchen. When I opened the door, past tense, were talking, they were talking about me. When I opened the door, they were talking about me. The telephone rang, past tense. The telephone rang while I was cooking. So, you see the answers now again. While I was reading the newspaper, the cat jumped on the table. Arun met Helen while he was traveling in Russia. Sona phoned me 8 times yesterday while I was working. I cut my hand while I was working in the kitchen. When I opened the door, they were talking. The telephone rang while I was cooking. I hope that all the 12 gaps you have filled correctly. So, let us see the next concept, that is past perfect tense in the next video. Thank you.